Today I'm going to show you how I created this rainbow gradient with succulent stamping design. I'm using China Glaze-Purple Panic, China Glaze-That Sure Bright, Essie-Make Some Noise, China Glaze-Too Yacht to Handle, China Glaze-Grass's Lime Greener, Rimmell London Chin Up Buttercup, China Glaze Home Sweet House Music, and China Glaze-Purple Panic again. I'm sponging a gradient over white polish. This intensifies the colours. You'll need to apply a few layers to get full coverage. I've used Opulent Essence's liquid nail tape to help with the cleanup process. You just peel it off and it removes the excess polish around the cuticles. Here's my gradient with a layer of top coat. I'm using Mundo de Uñas black stamping polish and the Uberchic Mini Succulents plate, which has this full nail negative space succulents design. I'm applying this image to each nail using this fabulous stamper from Gnarly Nails, which always picks up perfectly. See how the stamping images are so crisp and detailed. I'm using Seche Vite quick drying top coat for a super shiny finish to my design. I love how these rainbow coloured succulents really show up with the black stamping. The white polish underneath really helps the colours pop. Here's the finished design. It's so bright and colourful, I really hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel for more nail art tutorials.